Connecting Robinhood to Coinledger is a straightforward process that allows you to track your cryptocurrency investments and taxes in one place. To start, make sure you have a Robinhood account and a Coinledger account. First, log into your Coinledger account and navigate to the Accounts page. Click on Add Account and search for Robinhood. Select Robinhood from the list of available exchanges and choose the account type you want to connect, either Robinhood or Robinhood Crypto. Next, you will be redirected to the Robinhood website where you will be prompted to log into your Robinhood account. Enter your Robinhood credentials and authorize Coinledger to access your account information. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the Coinledger website where you can select the specific Robinhood account you want to connect. Choose the account and click Connect. Coinledger will then import your transaction history from Robinhood, which may take a few minutes depending on the number of transactions. Once the import is complete, you can view your Robinhood transactions and balances in your Coinledger account. It is essential to note that you may need to reconnect your Robinhood account to Coinledger periodically to ensure that your transaction history remains up to date. Additionally, make sure to keep your Robinhood account credentials secure to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Robinhood account to Coinledger and start tracking your cryptocurrency investments and taxes in one place. This connection allows you to streamline your financial management and make informed decisions about your investments. In conclusion, connecting Robinhood to Coinledger is a simple process that can help you manage your cryptocurrency investments more efficiently. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a seamless connection and start tracking your transactions and balances in one place.